All citizens are warned to be on the lookout for a dangerous killer who has just escaped from the state penitentiary. Name, Killer Schlabatka. Height, 6 feet 4 inches. Weight, 250 pounds. This man is tough. Ow! See what I mean? He was last seen in this vicinity. Lock all windows. Bar all doors. Take every precaution. Citizens are advised to stay indoors and keep calm.
Oh, boys!
Yes, Papa? What's wrong, Papa?
There's a dangerous killer in the neighborhood. Don't open any doors or windows.
You don't have to worry. We have Pago to guard us. He's a real brave watchdog. He's not afraid of anything. We'll get him.
So that's your brave watchdog, is it?
He is brave, Papa. We just startled him. He's just the one to catch the killer.
You big coward! You will guard this house tonight or go to the pound in the morning.
Nice work, pup. You caught a desperate criminal.
See, Papa? We told you. He must have chased the crook right out of the house. He's the bravest dog in the whole world.
I don't get it. I just don't get it.